Tails drag, tails frisky, wag, wag, wag. Scale tail, strong and clean. Tails fluffy, tails stringy. Scale tail strong and clingy. Tails long, tails stumpy. Ponytails make snoozers grumpy. Tails old, tails new. Bumpy tails are fun to chew. Tails cool, tails hot, tails wishing, swap, swap, swap. Tails broad, tails slinky, tails sometimes can be sticky. Uh-oh, he doesn't like the skunk. Whoop! Ugh. I got the skunk away. You've seen some tails are large and some very small. Now here's one more, the biggest tail of all. Ready for a counting game? 1 skunk, 2 tigers, 3 foxes, 4 pandas, 5 pangolins, 6 weasels, 7 chipmunks, 8 alligators, 9 tamarins, 10 pigs. That pig is happy. And he got his name in tails furry, tails spiny, tails rainbow hued and shiny. The baby peacock doesn't like the